In this video, I'll show you how to build a workflow in Make. First, open your web browser, go to the Make website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click Create a new scenario to start building your workflow. In Make, every workflow is called a scenario. Next, choose the app that will trigger your automation. Click the large plus button in the center of the canvas, search for the app you want to use, and select a trigger module. For example, you can choose a new email, a new Google Sheets row, or a webhook. Connect your account when prompted and configure the trigger settings. Now, click the plus button next to your trigger to add another module. Search for the app that should perform the next action, such as sending a Slack message, creating a Notion page, updating Airtable, or generating text with AI. Configure the action and map the data from the previous module into the required fields. Mapping lets you pass information from one step of the workflow to the next. After that, continue adding more modules until your workflow is complete. If needed, insert filters or routers to create different paths based on specific conditions. This allows your workflow to make decisions automatically, such as processing only certain records or sending different actions depending on the data. Finally, click Run once to test your workflow. Check that each module completes successfully and verify that your automation produces the expected results. Once everything is working correctly, save your scenario and switch it on so it runs automatically according to its trigger or schedule. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a workflow in Make. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.